is funny, no?
Dili na.
Huh?
So na ni. I never thought, ay nagkatawa, B. I have a guest today. She's my daughter. Kung wala yung mama, she's my daughter. Pero if na yung mama, di pwede kay masuko. I never thought I'd be unboxing a tool or anything like this. Siguro pwede pa makeup kit.
Di mo kakabal mo make-up me?
Gabalo kung gamay yun. Gadgets.
Di po ka techie. Hindi nga ma-English pa man tami.
Naman ko mga 4 friends siguro, mali kay ba mo Bisaya.
Ano, Tagalog? Tagalog di ay.
Kabaw na ka magtagawag, makikaw nga ka magtagawag.
What are we unboxing?
This is a router bit set. Eh, pero dili ka ni ang una kay wala ka na siya gamit. Wala siya gamit kung wala ni. It's a router, a palm router, and a router bit set. Pares na sila.
Ay, did you na yan? Ayaw mo na ko practice.
Ha? Ano ni?
Wala ni?
Oh. Ayun daw, liho ka atong table na daw.
Me, what's a router?
Naku kay Bao. I don't know. I've never used a router before. I've never seen a router. But according to Wiki, basa. It's a tool that hollows out an area on a hard material like wood. It's easier actually to show than to explain. So later, I'm going to make something that requires the use of a router.
What do you use it for?
It has a lot of uses. Pwede ibangag, pwede itrim sa edges, pang design, pang shape. Basta katugan. Unya, ako siyang gamiton. Mag-think ko og project na kailangan siya gamiton.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Nilakaw na akong guest. Gichikar ako niya. This is what we're unboxing. It's a palm router. I got it from an authorized dealer here in Davao City. So this is guaranteed authentic. Be very careful about buying something that requires absolute safety because you don't want to lose a finger over a small amount of savings. So let's open it. Of course, it comes with a manual. And this is the actual tool. This is how it looks. Hadiri iyahang ang bit, power button. Kani uba na parts, ako pa siyang studihan, wala pa jud ko kabaluan, to be honest. Excited lang kung mapalit ani kasi in all the videos that I watch, kasagaran na ani siya. Katong mga cabinetry na naay mga designs. These are the other parts. I think this is a guide. Ow. Ow. Nasa ani. And this. Tapos, kani siya wrench. Then we have this, the bit set. Nice siya tanawon. Professional kayo siya. Neat. Tapos, nice yung case. And then, it looks durable. 6 pieces with different designs.